You remember one time I liked you?
No.
Good, cause never happened.
Aw.
Aha! Oh.
Cam and Colin, run in here and come get y'all juice.
Hey everybody, today my brother pushed me, so I'm starting a Kickstarter to put him down. The benefits of killing him would be I would get pushed way less.
Fake Night Part 2. Hey, McCart, watch this.
What are you doing? Why would you kill him like that?
You're next.
Red Robin. Young.
Excuse you?
Cause every time we touch, I get this feeling. And every time we kiss, I swear I can fly. Can't you feel my heart beat fast? I want this to last. Need you by my side.
I play in a band. That's fun.
I was in a band.
Oh, look at us. We're in love and happy and not dead inside. Get fucked, both of you.
You're all going to hell. Goodbye.
I'm scared, Dad.
Do you trust me, son?
Yes.
Come on, son. Rule number 1, never trust anybody.
You either buckle down and do your work or you'll end up at McDonald's.
We going to McDonald's if I don't do my work?
No.
And at last I see the light.
And it's like the sky is new.
Dude! Sorry!
I do the stupid things. That's my place in the group.
I love you, bitch.
Oh my god.
I ain't gonna never stop loving you, bitch.
Squash banana, hungry.
Is it real?
I mean, 4 female Ghostbusters? The feminists are taking over. I'm an adult virgin.
Jared, could you read number 23 for the class? No, I cannot.
What up? I'm Jared, I'm 19, and I never fucking learned how to read.
Baby changing station. Baby hanging station.
Me and Eric are about to go vandalize some stuff. Hi, you sure about this? Yeah, man, just go, hurry.
Why the fuck you lying? Why you always lying? Oh my god. Stop fucking lying.
It's a mental breakdown.
Release all of those sounds that are trapped in your mind. Sir, are you okay?
I'm a little messed up.
Try and pull me over now, cop!
Good evening.
Objection, Your Honor!
What is it? Overruled.
Lance, you think I get this egg into that jar without it cracking?
No.
Guess you're right.
Some fun boxing match, okay? This is about escaping with your life. So, strike, scream, and run. Alright, let's try it.
I hate this damn ass bitch animal. Fuck me.
Iridocyclitis.
Hey, how much money do you have?
Like 69 cents.
You know what that means.
I don't have enough money for chicken nugget.
Alright, let's tell each other a secret about ourselves.
I'm gonna go first. I hate you.
You play it, you get $100 million. But 100 million people will die.
Kevin, no.
Every time you yell at your kids, put a quarter in your no yelling sock, and soon you'll have a weapon to beat.
Parkour! Parkour! Parkour!